Show the parts to be installed. The instrument includes two spare fuses. Use a screwdriver to gently pry open the fuse holder, and then replace the broken fuse with one of the spare fuses. That can be used to replace the fuse inside the instrument in case of breakage. Install the struts. Install the metal plates. Install the acrylic holders. Install the skin handle. Install the facial handle. Install the handle. Install the metal bar. Install the roller handle. Install the pin handle. Install the Y-type handle. Install the SP/RAY handle. Put all the installed handles into the corresponding accessory holder enter. After all parts are installed, turn on the instrument. Choose skin on the screw. Parameter setting. Recommended working time 5 minutes. Recommended energy level 3. Recommended mode M2. Tap Start Budo. Tap Stop Budo. Press the SP/RAY button next to the screen to start the treatment. Recommended working time 3 minutes. Tap Start Budo. Tap Stop Budo. Choose Eye on the screen parameter setting. Recommended working time 10 minutes. Recommended energy level 3. Tap Start Budo. Tap Stop Budo. Choose Facial on the screen. Parameter setting. Recommended working time 10 minutes. Recommended energy level 3. Recommended mode M1. Choose Pin on the screen parameter setting. Recommended working time 10 minutes. Recommended energy level 3. Recommended time M3. Tap Start Budo. Tap Stop Budo. Choose Roller on the screen. Parameter setting. Recommended working time 10 minutes. Recommended energy level 3. Recommended mode M3. Tap Start Budo. Tap Stop Budo. Choose Y-type on the screen. Parameter setting. Recommended working time 10 minutes. Recommended energy level 3. Tap Start Budo.